What's up, guys? It's April 11th, 2025, and we had a broad bull channel today. Had three pushes down. We rallied for for three legs, and then we went sideways. So price action matches the market cycle. Daily chart, been in a bull rally for years. How long? Oh my gosh. We've been in a bull rally forever. Anyways, so a lot of legs down. We had a climactic leg on Friday the 4th, so last Friday. Got three legs down, leg one. Where's my trusty pen at? Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four, higher low. That's good for the bulls, bad for bears. Bears do sell off, but then it ends up trapping them and rallying past the breakout point. So that's good for the bulls, bad for the bears. Bulls want to get up here, here, and then continue. Yesterday's bar ended up being a pullback. It was a tricky pullback because it could have also just been the start to a sell off again down low. It could have been this could have been a buy vacuum, and we sell off down to lows. But now looking at today's bar, it was a bit of a sideways price action, but leg one, pullback, leg two, and we have higher lows. So now that's bullish structure. It's hard to say because this is also a triangle. It's an inside bar. Inside bars are the only bar that don't break out. So we'll have to wait till Monday to see what happens, and then we can talk about if this was just a pullback into the EMA and we sell off, or if we break out. Maybe bulls want maybe bears need a double top to get lower. Where are we? Okay, here we are. Bar one, excuse me, gap down. Bar one is a bear bar, more tail than body. Bar two, bull bar closing above its midpoint, but it also has more tail than body. Then we have bar three, selling off and then rallying back above the EMA. So bulls are going for the breakout. Bar four, bull bar closing just above the midpoint. It has still has some tail, but now bulls have three bars in a row. I think this is showing to get its own second leg. And bar five is a small bull bar, but still a bull bar. So that's five bull bars in a row. And even yesterday, we had a bullish price action towards the middle of the day and the end. Bar six, bear bar closing on slow. Bar seven, sold off, but then bulls rallied. So it was just testing the midpoint of bars two, could say the lower part of bar three. Rallies and closes above the EMA. Bar four, bear bar closing on its high, testing the high. Bulls want to go one tick past bar five. So this is not the best leg two. You could say it is a quick leg two, but you have to scalp out fast. Bar nine, bear bar closing. It's closing above its midpoint and there's a tail. So it actually looks like bulls want to go again. But you could see a fractal three legs here. So there's multiple ways to count. I'm going to count a visible leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three within bar nine. And it sells off bar 10, 11, and 12. If you're looking to hold short for the whole day, looking for a swing, look at bar 11. This is hinting that bulls are buying lows. They're buying the bar one, bar two low because there's a tail on 11. So we went from did I say bulls? Yeah, bulls are buying the low. We went from bears shorting the low of 10 to bulls buying the low, and that's only about 5-10 minutes. Something to think about if you're holding short is this tail was hinting at something. Bar 12, inside bar 13, big bull bar trapping bears. 14, 15, 16, bull bars closing, well, 14 is the bull bar closing on its midpoint. 15, bull bar closing on its high. 16, bad bull bar has a tail. Bears now want a second leg down here. They get that second leg down. They actually get three legs down. You could count it like one, pull back like two, pull back like three, pull back like four. Could say like one, pull back like two, pull back like three. Bar 20 is an inside, bar 20 is a bull bar. But it's acting as a pullback after we see the rally on 19. So let me reverse a little bit. 17, bears are trying to break out below the EMA. 19, bears get that break. 18, bears get that breakout, but bad follow through. 19. Why is it bad follow through? Because there's a big rally here, and now you could say like one pullback, like two was complete because the 19 rally went above bar 16's high, so it went above one tick. That's the minimum bulls need for leg two. Right around the upper third of bar 13 as well. Okay, so 20 pullback, 21, 22, 23, three bear bars in a row. But I don't think it's good enough to get a second leg down because it's already the third or fourth leg. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. 24, bull bar closing on its high. Bulls want to get the breakout above the EMA, but there's some sell. When 24 printed, there were still some sellers. And then we see 25, and that small tail gets filled. 26, big bull bar closing on its high. This is the first time the bulls get a bull bar closing on its high above the EMA. So you could argue here and here, but there's still a tail. But look at this bar. It sold off a little bit, and as soon as it went below the EMA, it rallied. So bulls are buying. 27 is a pullback. There's 3-bar bull micro channel. Showing to get its own second leg. When you start to see the price coil up, this is just a bull flag right here. 27, 20, 29. That's that bull flag. Breakout 30. That's a triangle. 31, bad follow through. 32, bad follow through. Rally sells off. 33, bull bar closing on its midpoint. 34, bulls are trying to break the high of 32's tail, but then they can't, and price sells off. 35, 36 sells off into the EMA. When we get close to the average price, it rallied for a decent 4 bars. 37, another big bull bar closing on its high. So you can already tell bulls are willing to buy high, but not for long. When it gets too extended, price has to pull back to the EMA and then it rallies. So this is a broad bull channel. 41, not an inside bar because we are 41 traveled 1 tick above 40, but we are in a third leg. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. If you're along around here, you can just see that the momentum starting to slow down. The momentum is slowing down because the bull bars are shrinking, and now we went from small tails to more of a tail to a bigger tail. So how this was hinting at a rally, this is hinting at least at sideways price action. And bears get 3 legs down. I talked about in 2 videos ago how to count legs in pullbacks. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. 49 is testing the breakout of this range here, the 35, 36, 34, 35 high. 49. Small doji, bulls are buying this, putting a stop down here, really small risk, and they make 2 to 3 times their risk very fast with 50 and 51. Now we have a visible 3 legs, so breaking out, okay, leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. The nicest looking bull bar is bar 50, showing to get its own second leg, and that happens with that break right there. So leg 1, pull back, leg 2, and together, this is too much. This is very climactic price action. Market goes more sideways than up. Now we have a high 1 in the third leg. High 1 and third legs are generally better fades. This is not a trade I take. I'm just letting you know that high 1s and third legs are generally better fades. I take very similar trades. So I look for what side made 1R quickly, and then I put if they make it in a quick amount of time, I put a limit order there and I scalp out. That's one of Ali. I didn't come up with that on my own. That's one of Ali's trades. If you do your homework, if you've taken any of these classes, you know what the cool term for that is. 2 seconds here, guys. Okay, so then we sell off 54. Again, 3 legs down. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Testing the midpoint, and then we get a tight trading range for the rest of the day. We've had a lot of selling. Let me get the pen out. I'll never understand why that just happens. So we had a lot of selling yesterday, and then we've had a tough rally. Why is it a tough rally? Because every time there's a new high, there's good bear bars closing on its low, so it looks like the market's reversing. But if we stick to the market cycle, we have a range here. Bulls are breaking out of that range with this leg. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. You could argue the leg count reset. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. And then we're waiting for that third leg to get put in next week, or it fails and reverses back down to the breakout point below 75. Market's in a tough spot. I mean, this has not been easy trading days these last months. You know, we went from high volatility, sideways price action, huge bars. So if you guys are doing well and profitable, I commend you. This is definitely tough trading. Let me know how you guys are doing. I hope you have a safe Friday. Don't drink and drive, guys, please. Be smart, be nice to your friends, give someone a hug. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you to all the members. Thank you everyone following me. I appreciate you guys a lot. If you learned something, share the show. Don't be a hoe. And I'll talk to you guys on Monday. I'm working on some videos this weekend, so hit me up in the Discord. Thanks everyone. Bye.